fresher than a mom.
Doing a little backcountry traversing right now. Beautiful bluebird out at Sunshine Village today. I'm here with the official Sven Life.
What's up,
hiking
guys?
in front of me here. Totally making our way up. Sun shining behind us. It's perfect. Stay on the path. Up to your hips. How's that?
Oh. I think we're here. What's up, guys?
Thank you. Yeah.
What's up, guys? It's Sven Life Official here with C.D. Weber. We just got back from Banff Sunshine Village. An awesome day of snowboarding.
Yeah, it was a great day out there, and on the way out we actually saw this really cool building that we've driven past so many times. On our way back, we decided we'd actually stop there, and it turns out it's really cool inside. Tons of graffiti, tons of broken down kind of things, and yeah, we got the drone up in the air, got a whole bunch of footage, multiple cameras going, so take a look at what we got.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to leave no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ballin' age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I. Whoa, whoa, whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel.